Kuya Uno, we're gonna eat here muna sa Panda Express. Darius! A bigger plate na. Hato na kami.
Hot orange chicken.
So, anong swerte natin ngayon sa
Pita pa to.
Sa akin, it's wow, you will achieve your goals. Wow. Let's eat! Orange chicken and honey walnut shrimp kay Daddy. Beef broccoli. Tapos half-half chow mein tsaka fried rice. Tapos meron kami ditong strawberry lemonade. Okay, kuya. Go there, go.
Forward niyo po yung bata.
Forward
Dito ka sa
there.
kabila.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you! Yay! We're here! Come on, ano na gagawin? Sunod. Oh, let's go over there. There's a lot of things that we can buy. Oh, what did you buy? Oh, there's Stitch. Puro budol siya, guys. Okay, so guys, andito, papasok na kami mamaya-maya lang. Pero grabe, ang dami ko nang nabili. Halos ako yata yung nabudol. So, meron ako Stitch. You know naman, I love Stitch so much. Merong Stitch si Kuya Uno. At nagpabili siya ng Maui. And wow, ang ganda. So, eto guys, may laman siya na parang balls, ice ball. Parang ganun, parang snowball. Ayan, tapos meron kami itong quickly, water, and may popcorn din kami binili. So, mamaya titignan ko kung magkano yung nagastos ko. Oh, go, ano ka muna dyan? What can I say except you're welcome? Da 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 da. You're welcome.
Cookie!
We're here guys. So, si Uno kinakain na yung ice cold. May quickly ka. Gusto mo yung quickly muna? Ayaw. Sa hotel na lang yung quickly?
Where is the people?
Wala pa. We will start pa in 30 minutes pa, no? Look, oh, there are people upstairs.
518 is the most scariest to fall our day.
That's so high, di ba?
Yeah.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa VIP Premium 2-offer section and ano kami sa H4 and H5 na seat. So, dalawa lang kami ni Uno. And sobrang lapit niya, guys. Sobrang sulit na nito, oh. Hindi siya super side. Sakto lang siya. And parang maliit lang yung stage niya. Hindi ganun kalaki. Ang daming seats. Meron dito sa taas. Nasa 518 for 8. So, saktuhan lang naman pala. Diba? So, kung bibili kayo nung nandun, nasa 300 pesos lang yata siya. Say hi! Say hi!
Hi! We gotta get all of the parts of Stitch.
Okay, all of the parts of Stitch. That's Stitch brain. So, grabe. Ayan, bumili kami ng Maui. Yung jacket niya, yung popcorn. May popcorn ka dito.
I want to eat it when the party people, when the ice skating people is here.
Okay.
Oh!
Ano ba yan? Slushy ice.
Fluffy stick.
Did you know that you can use this as a straw as well? Suot mo yan. And this one too.
What?
Dos will wear that.
Donald. Just imagine all the stories that have taken place under those stars.
Let's find the brightest stars in the sky and celebrate the stories that light them up.
Oh, this will be a real adventure. No time for messing around. And it's not.
The magic carpet. Magic carpet.
A magic carpet. Whoa, hey there. I wonder if you can help me. I'm looking for a lamp. This is it?
So I made this wish to have something new for us and
Here's the princess! That's Mommy's favorite character. Here's the princess.
so many colorful stories in the skies.
Isn't it amazing how everybody shines in their own way?
Sing, sweet nightingale, sing, sweet nightingale. She's wearing my ribbon. No, please, that's my song.
Bippity, boppity.
Wow, so pretty. Now she's wearing blue. It's a princess. Okay, 20 minutes break. So, we're eating cotton candy. Sarap.
What is cotton candy crunchy?
It's so soft. It's like a cotton.
What?
And then it's gonna be crunchy candy. Not cotton candy. Yummy?
What a beautiful night. Look up where all them stars twinkling away. Reminds me of some real fun.
Oh, I know what you're gonna say. No, I just know how much my best friend likes to go tractor tipping.
I sure do. Oh, tractor tipping's fun. Hi, I'm Bruno.
I can't freeze this moment, but I can still go out and seize this It's time for us to live around.
Yeah, you're right. Wow! Ganda! Bongga! Bongga din mo ano. Sobrang bongga naman ito. Mala Taylor Swift. Bawis over there! Bawi! 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 Taray, daming props ni mo.
They have stolen the heart from inside you. But this does not define you.
It's done! Tapos na! Pagod na si Uno, guys. Ito kami ngayon sa lower 1. Pupunta na kami kay Daddy sa MOA. Let's go! Daming bitbit! Wala shopping! Sama na namin sila doon. Smile! Iniwan sila dito sa labas. Dalawa sila ni Daddy. So, ayan. Binilhan ni Daddy ng bagong shoes and sombrero. Nakakano siya sa bago na sa bago. Naninibago. dito. Wow, may spa room dito. Malapit lang tayo sa spa room. 924. Wow, lucky number natin to. Yan. Pasok, guys. Wow. King size na nila yan? King yung nilagay ko, superior room nga yun eh. Tapos king size. Pero okay naman, nakaya naman tayo dyan. Wow! Anong din natin dito? Wow! Charis, wala. Walang view. May free. Simple lang. Oh. Tignan natin yung banyo. Siyempre, alam muna natin yan. Wow. Walang ano sa window. Walang view. Oh, hot shower. Okay. Op! Shower time? Bumaba kami guys kasi hanap kami ng makakainan. So gusto namin mag-hot pot ngayong gabi. Baka pumila kami sa Jiangnan dun sa may MOA. Tapos may katabi yung Popeyes eh. So doon na lang kakain yung mga kids. Yan, waiting kami sa Valley Park. Nakapantulog na yan si Uno tsaka si Dos kasi naligo na sila. Pero dahil gusto natin sulitin ng Manila, labas-labas din pag may time, diba? So, we're here at Popeyes. Si Daddy, nakapila sa Jiangnan hot pot. Tapos si Uno, ito pinapakain na namin sa Popeyes para payapa kami kumain ni Daddy mamaya sa hot pot. Tapos nag-take out na rin ako ng chicken sandwich para mamaya may kakainin ako pag nagutom ako or siguro yun, pag madaling araw, diba? And ayun, nagkamali nga ako ng order dito sa Popeyes. Nag-order ako ng 3 pieces na tenders which is a la carte. Tapos wala pala siyang kasamang kanin. So ang ginawa ko, nag-add ako ng additional na kanin. So napamahal din ako, 170, ganun din ang price pala. So yan si Kuya Uno. We're done! Tapos na kami kumain guys and dessert time na. Merong libreng halo-halo yan. Halo-halo. Ang sarap guys. Ang sarap dito sa Jiangnan. First time namin ni Daddy. So, ayan na. Breakfast time! Kuya! Maui is having a ball round.